Hello, Sean Tiki T here with my first official cappuccino restoration video. Today I'm going to be taking off this panel. That's so I can get the car jack to sit here and not have to worry about it once it's on the jack stands, because this is bolted on here, as you can see. Now, step one, remove the wheel arch. If you are lucky enough to have it, oh wow, be careful. I have them, I'm very happy. Step two, clean out all of the junk. Oh, it's just dust. Now I live in Australia, so luckily it's a dry climate. But, oh, look at that. Oh, hopefully you can just see that there. Oh, it's going to take me a while. Oh, there's more. Oh, can you see that? Let me just move the light. Oh dear. Oh, there's more. Alright, so step one, clean all that out. Okay, this panel is ready to come off. I'll just show you what might give you a mad headache. Have a look in here. So this is where one of the screws is. That's pretty easy to get to. But if you can just see, it might be too bright. You can just see that little plug there. Wow, that was real hard to get to. Like, you can open the door, close the door, you obviously can't see it. There's another one up the other end, but oh, that was annoying. I'm sure I'm doing this in the wrong order, but you know, should be fine. Other two bolts there and there, and behind that there is a bolt there, and then the two clips, you can just see the other one and this one like here. So let's get this off. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, look at all that. Oh, she's thick. Alright. Oh. Oh. That is a lot of junk. But I don't know, that looks pretty good. I mean, corrosion here is to be expected. Definitely to be expected, but that's not so bad. It's not too bad at all. I mean, even that looks like it hasn't completely deteriorated. But yeah, you can see that plug on the top there. But, ooh, lordy. Not too bad. Not too bad. And obviously, as I go deeper in this, the rust is going to be more and more, and I'm going to probably cry more and more. But that's all pretty. It's all pretty good. It's just a little surface rust. So you're going to have to get used to my dodgy camera work. Not too bad. All right, on to the next side. Not before. Dodgy camera work. Oh, it's just sand. Sand and stuff. Although this did fall out when I was taking off the wheel arch thing. Slight concern, perhaps. If you, let's see if I can focus that properly. If you know what this is, please let me know. Does pressure line of some type? Maybe it's a grease. Not really a grease nipple, but yeah, you can figure it out. Let me know. It could honestly just be debris. I can't find anything broken. Certainly doesn't have any big mechanical issues I know of. Like, if that was broken off, it would be leaking. Onwards. Definitely a case of read the manual. Those little clips I was complaining about, they're a keyhole. Look at that. Oh well. They broke apart anyway, so I'll replace them. Probably read the manual upside down or something. Manual's in Japanese, not my fault.